Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Artistic Hills. Today I am showing you how to make a beautiful photo frame using newspaper. So let's get started. For making this photo frame, we need newspaper, cardboard, acrylic color and glue. First make paper rolls like this. You have to make approximately 300 rolls. After making paper rolls, take a cardboard of around 2 cm width. And stick 3 paper rolls on cardboard. Stick paper rolls on both sides of the cardboard. Now make a square like this. Now one by one, stick the squares like this. Now apply acrylic colors on both the sides of the frame. You can paint any color as per your choice. Now stick the remaining squares on other side of the frame like this. Now take a square photograph. Now stick paper rolls on photograph like this. Now stick photos on both the sides of the frame. Your beautiful hanging photo frame is ready. Please like the video and subscribe my channel Artistic Hills.